Okay, we're gonna be installing a mini split system coming down right in between that band and that box. We got the electrician hooking up the electrical, and the unit's gonna sit right there. Check this out. Oh yeah. Then maybe afterwards we'll get a little fishing done. Sweet. Okay, so we need to measure 42 inches. 42. Check this out. Some wires right behind there. You have to be careful with that. Should be fine. We just keep to the side and be careful with it. You never know what's behind the wall. Okay, this thing runs out of battery really quick. I'm gonna have to put it in the charger, but we have the line set and the communication wire coming down. An electrician wired a disconnect right here, and it's hot. So we are good to go with this Senville 1.5 ton mini split unit. Let's keep going. I'll just show you what it looks like later, because I don't have time to be recording everything. I want to get to fishing with the seagulls. Okay, it's in there. Goes that way, and here she is in all her glory. It's a Senville. Got the bolts. It's anchored down so the hurricane don't take her. One and a half tons. All right, she's good to go. Gotta head back to San Antonio now.